Good morning, children. All of you open your notes. All of you open your notes. And today I am giving to you question and answers for the lesson of my house. For the lesson my house. Okay? I am giving to you question and answers. Write down. Okay? My house. First write the heading my house lesson. Okay? See here. First question. What is that first question? First question is, what is a kacha house? First question is, what is a kacha house? WHAT what? IS is a kacha. KUCHCHA kacha house. HOUSE house. Kacha house. Next, that is the first question. Okay, the answer is the houses. THE the houses. HOUSE houses. That 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 are ARER made 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 of OF mud 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 and straws 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 ARER called 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 kacha house. KUCHCHA kacha house. HOUSE house. Kacha house. What is a kacha house? Okay, what is a kacha house? First question, that answer is the houses that are made of mud and straws are called kacha house. Okay, understand? What is a kacha house? Kacha house is made of mud and straws are called kacha house. Okay, note down. Next, second one. Second question is, give examples of pakka houses. Give examples of pakka houses. GIVEQ examples. EXAMPLES examples of pakka. PUCCA pakka. Houses. HOUSES houses. The question is, again I am repeating, give examples of pakka houses. Okay, the pakka houses examples, the answer is bungalow and apartment. What is the two examples? What are the two examples of pakka house? That is bungalow and apartment. Okay, what is the spelling of bungalow? BUNGALOW. Okay, BUNGALOW, bungalow. Next, apartment. APARTMENT, apartment. Okay, bungalow and apartment. Write down the next question and answer. Give 2 examples of Pakka house. The 2 examples of bungalow and apartment. Note down. Okay. Then the next third one. The third question is, why do we have windows in our home? Why do we have windows in our homes? Why our houses have windows? See the question again, I am repeating. Why do we have windows in our homes? The spellings of why. WHY, why. DO, WE, we have. HAVE, have windows. WINDOWS, windows. in, our. our homes. HOMES, homes. Why do we have windows in our homes? Okay, the answer is sunlight and fresh air come into our house through the windows. The answer is sunlight and fresh air come into our house through the windows. The spellings, see, sunlight, 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 and and fresh air, FRESH, fresh, air, fresh air. Come, COME, come. Into, in, TO2, into our, our house, HOUSE, house. Through, THROUGH, through the, the windows, WINDOWS, windows. Okay, what is the question now? Again I am repeating. Why do we have windows in our homes? Sunlight, and the answer is sunlight and fresh air come into our house through the windows. Okay, the third question and answer, that's it. Okay, now write down. Okay, completed. Okay, the fourth question is next one. The fourth question is, where do we keep soaps and mugs? Where do we keep soaps and mugs? Okay, where? What is the spelling where? WHERE. Where do, DO do, we, WEV, keep, 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 soaps, 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 and mugs, MUGS, mugs. Where do we keep soaps and mugs? That is the question. Next, the answer is, we keep soaps and mugs in the bathroom. Okay, we, WEV, keep, 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 soaps, 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 and mugs, MUGS, mugs. In, in, the, the, bathroom, BATHROOM, bathroom. We keep soaps and mugs in the bathroom. Okay, next, where do we keep soaps and mugs? We keep soaps and mugs in the bathroom. Okay, next, the fifth question is, why is a house important to us? Why is a house important to us? Why, WHY, is, is a house, 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 important, 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 to, TO2, us, US, us. Why is a house important to us? The answer is, house protect us from heat, rain, cold, wild animals and thieves. It also keeps us safe. Okay, house protect us from heat, rain, cold, wild animals and thieves. It also keeps us safe. Okay, now spellings. House, HOUSE, house. Protect, PROTECT, protect us, US, us. From, FROM, from. Heat, HEAT, heat. Rain, RAIN, rain. Cold, COLD, cold. Wild animals, wild, WILD, wild animals, ANIMALS, animals. And, and. Thieves, THIEVES, thieves. House protect us from heat, rain, cold, wild animals and thieves. It, IT, also, ALSO, also. Keeps, KEEPS, keeps. Us, US, us. Safe, SAFE, safe. House protect us from heat, rain, cold, wild animals and thieves. It also keeps us safe. Okay, that is the important of the house. Okay, now write down. Okay, now completed writing. Okay, now open your textbook. After the completion of question and answers, open your textbook, page number 214, page number 214. Okay, see here one activity is there. What is that activity? See, first label the different parts of a house in the given pictures. Label the different parts of a house in the given pictures. See here some pictures are given. Okay, label the pictures. Okay, here one picture given, here one dash is given. Write in this which room is this. Okay, that name here write down. Okay, again here one more picture is there. Write which room is this. Which room is this? Write in the name. Okay, here one more picture. Write what is the room here. Write down the room name. Here again one more picture is given. Okay, this is which room? Write here. Understand? That is only label. Label means write the names. Label means write the names. Label the different parts of a house. This is our parts of house, no? This is our parts of house. Label it. That means write the names. Different rooms are there here. Write the rooms names. Okay, understand? Here, see first picture. What is this picture? See here. Here TV is there and sofas, chairs are there and one bookshelf is there. Okay, so it is called living room. Which room? Living room. Write living room spelling. What is the? LIVING. Living, ROOM. Living room. Okay, next the other picture is what is that other picture? What is this? See here vessels are there, that spoons are there. Okay, this tap is there, that means like sink. Here gas stove is there. Okay, and these totally cupboards are there. Okay, so it is, what is this room? That is kitchen room. KITCHEN, kitchen room. Okay, these vessels are there, spoons are there. Okay, and here sink, like sink tap is there. So it is kitchen room. Understand? Okay. Next, here one more picture is there. What is that picture? In this picture? That means in this picture, which type objects are there? That is here bed. Okay. And bed light, bed lamp. Okay. Bed lamp is there. So, it is called bedroom. What is this? Bedroom. Okay. Next, again another one more picture is there. What is that? In this picture, one dining table is there. Yes or no? See here. This is the dining table. Dining table and chairs. Okay. Here fruits are there. Dining table. On the dining table fruits are there. So it is, what is this room? This is dining room. Say spelling. DINING. Dining room. 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 Dining room. Okay. The first room is living room. First room is living room. And the second room is kitchen room. Third, bedroom. Fourth, dining room. Okay. Okay. In the second bit, which of the pictures shows a TD room? Which of the pictures shows a TD room? Okay. TD means clean. Which of the pictures shows a TD room? TD means clean room. Which room is clean in these two rooms? Between of these two rooms, which is the clean room? See here. Which is the clean room? The clean room is here. This one. Okay. Tick this one. And this is wrong. Then why? See here. Here all objects are have neatly. Okay. Stove, gas stove, and all vessels are keeping clean. But here not clean. See here. Here dustbin and banana peel. Okay. These all are not clean. So this is the not correct. This only correct room. Okay. Okay. Okay, up to here the third lesson completed. In the next class we have start fourth lesson. Okay, we will start fourth lesson in the next class. Okay, right.